Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Roblox character. So, to begin, we're going to start with the head. So I'm going to start right here towards the top of my paper. So let's start right here, and I'm going to start by drawing a line that curves down and then curves over like this and then comes back up. Now, this person's going to be wearing a construction hat. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that curves up, and then it's going to slowly come back down like this. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes right around here and just kind of copies that shape for the brim of the hat. Next, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that curves up and then comes back down for the top of the hard hat. Then I'm going to draw a little square at the very top. And then I'm just going to draw a line that curves back around here. Now, for some details on the hat, I'm going to draw a couple little curved lines like this. And then I'm just going to draw some lines that go back up towards the top of the hat. Now let's draw the face. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw an oval for an eye. And then over here, I'm going to draw just half of an oval, kind of like he's winking. Then I'm going to draw a little smiley face right here for the mouth. And then I'm going to draw a little tiny curved line right there. Now, let's work on the body. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a V shape that goes down and then comes back up to start the shirt. Then I'm going to draw two lines that just kind of follow that V shape because he's got a hoodie on. Then in the middle, I'm going to draw a little rectangle. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then down and then slowly kind of comes back in. And then over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over and then curls around like this. Then I'm going to draw this line down and then I'm going to slowly bring it in a little bit. Then I'm going to put a little curl right here that does the same thing. And then a little line that goes down here like that. Then I'm going to go out with this and then curve back around up to here. Now let's draw the little details on his jacket. So first I'm going to draw a line that comes up here, goes over, and then comes back around for the pocket. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down here and then onto here for the zipper. Then I'm just going to draw two little lines that come down for the strings on his jacket. And then I'll just draw two tiny little ovals at the end. I know those are kind of hard to see. Then at the bottom of his jacket, I'm just going to draw a long rectangle like this. And then I'm just going to put some lines on it to show the bottom of the sweatshirt. Now for his arm. So let's draw this arm first. So I'm going to draw a line that comes up here and then goes up like this. Then I'm going to draw a big curve like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves down and then another one like this. Then I'm going to make a curve on top of here. And I'm going to throw some lines in there. Now let's draw his hand. So first, right here, I'm going to make a little thumb that goes up and down. And then up here, I'm going to draw the top of his hand. So I'm just going to make a curve that goes around like this, comes over, and then goes down. Now this hand is going to be holding a hammer. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then down and then comes all the way back to the thumb, kind of like a rectangle. And then I'm just going to continue this line and continue this line. Then I'm going to connect these two. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, down, and then it's going to curve like this. And then I'm going to curve this back up and go down like that. Then starting here, I'm going to draw another little curve like this. And then up here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes up, over, and then comes back down. And then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down here for part of the hammer. Now let's work on this arm. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and curves down like this. Then this line is going to go over and do the same thing and then connect. Then I'm going to make another little sleeve. And then I'm going to put some lines on it. Then right here, I'm going to make his hand. So I'm going to start with a little line that goes down and then comes back up for a thumb. Curve around here. And then I'm going to curve back around for the rest of the hand. Now for his legs. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes over and then down like this. Then I'm just going to go straight over and then kind of curve around like that. Then I'm just going to go up like this to finish off the leg. Then over here, I'm just going to go down and then come in just a little bit. Then I'm going to go over and then up like this. And then I'm just going to come back up for the leg. Now for the shoes. So I'm just going to go down and then over and then come back up like this for one shoe. And then this time over here I'm going to curve out and then come right back up to here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that curves down and goes to here. And then I'll do the same thing on this one. Then I can add a few little lines where some of the clothes have some wrinkles and stuff in it. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Roblox character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.